Summer's almost here, and I'm going to show you how to make my favorite summer iced coffee, Phe Sua, which is a sweet Vietnamese strong coffee. To make a Phe Sua Vietnamese coffee, follow these simple instructions. Make yourself some espresso. Fill it up, just like you normally would. Then take some sweetened condensed milk. Get a pretty heavy spoonful of it. Put that in your cup. You want to stir it because it takes a little bit of heat and mixing to get that to go. Next thing, you want a glass of ice. I like to shake mine. Ice. It's going to melt some of that ice cube. I just shake it. Could have a little more ice. And serve it with a straw. Perfect.